NORMOV Winter Warm Fleece-lined Leggings for Women, Thick Thermal Velvet Tights. Sun Updated. Suture and Soft Warm Material. The fleece-lined leggings for women feature an updated design, replacing the previous two-seam style with a single, sleek suture for improved comfort and a more flattering look. Made from a premium blend of 85% polyester and 15% spandex, these velvet leggings are incredibly soft, stretchy, and comfortable, making them an essential addition to your winter wardrobe. Sun Warm Fleece Inner. These thermal tights are lined with plush fleece on the inside, providing a cozy, insulating layer that keeps you warm during the cold autumn and winter months. Whether worn as thermal pants or as a base layer, they offer comfort both indoors and outdoors. Sun High-Rise Warm Belly. Designed with a high-waisted, stretchy elastic waistband that rises 5 inches above the navel. These leggings help keep your abdomen warm and cozy. The high-rise design also helps to protect your health by preventing cold air from affecting your core. Sun All. Matching and versatile. These compression leggings are designed to enhance your natural curves, offering a flattering fit that complements your body shape. They pair perfectly with skirts, tunics, long sweaters, and high boots. The fleece lining ensures warmth throughout winter, making them the perfect